If you have ever tried emailing influencers, you know the feeling. Here's how Modash turns the most frustrating part of influencer marketing into the easiest by doing these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect your email account to Modash. You can also invite your teammates to collaborate and tweak the settings to match your preference. From here, you can draft new emails on the spot, view sent and unread messages, track creator connections across your lists or campaigns, and monitor email statuses at a glance. Step 2. Create custom email templates. Head to Manage Templates and click Create New Template to build your very own from scratch. Modash comes with ready-to-use templates to help you hit the ground running, but creating your own lets you personalize your outreach to match your brand's voice and campaign goals. Simply give your template a name, add a subject line, and start writing. You can embed images, add links, and use the Insert Field feature to automatically personalize each email. Once you're satisfied, click Save, then monitor and optimize your template's performance as you scale. Step 3. Find your influencers and then save them into a list. Once you've found the right creators, save them into a list and head over to Manage in the sidebar. From here, select your influencer list, unlock their email addresses, and start your outreach. In this example, I'm gifting a product, so I'll generate a product offer link, a custom discount code, and an affiliate link for the influencer. Now here's where Modash really shines. You can apply your email template and the custom fields will take care of the rest. As you can see, the email is automatically populated with the influencer's name, a clickable product offer link, the unique discount code, and a personalized affiliate link. You can also attach documents, add your email signature, add an automation, or update the relation status to something that suits you. Just to add, if you end up rewriting the email or make an amendment, you can save it as a brand new template or update the existing one. Once everything looks good, just hit send and your outreach is done. However, if you prefer to email influencers on the spot whilst using the Discovery tool, you can use the relationship bar to reach out instantly, so there's no need to create a list. And when your influencer receives the email, they have everything they need: a free gift link, clear instructions, and all the relevant details. As soon as they reply, you can add them to a campaign, update their status, and keep track of the conversation, all in one space. You've got the tools, now it's time to reach, build those real connections, and scale your campaigns like never before.